Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the Acorn in Secret Staycation. Start by heading to the South Plaza and inspect the bench nearest the fountain for a graded seam you can pry. Then locate the rusted key near the gazebo under a loose tile. Use the key to open the vault cover after solving the fountain puzzle to drain the water and expose the mechanism. Begin at the plaza entrance and follow the small leaf markers toward the south bench. Pause to examine each marker. They guide the rotation order for the fountain rings so you can match 4 leaf patterns. Once the fountain drains and the bench lowers, pry the seam, then insert the rusted key to unlock the vault cover and retrieve the acorn from its recessed nest carefully. Pack a small pry tool and a flashlight to help open tight seams and spot hidden markers. If the main trail seems missing, look behind planters and low walls for extra leaf symbols that reveal the correct ring order. When rotating the fountain rings, listen closely for a faint click. That confirms the mechanism aligned, and the bench will lower so you can access the vault and take the acorn safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.